Hey everyone, if your iPhone camera is noisy, shaky, or blurry, don't worry. Here are the best fixes you can try. First, clean the camera lens on your iPhone. Dust or fingerprints can easily cause the blurry photos. Use a soft microfiber cloth. Next, remove any phone case or lens cover that might block or interfere with the camera. If your camera is shaking, it could be an optical image stabilization, so try to restart your iPhone to reset the camera system. You can also check your camera settings. Go to the settings and then here you can turn off the features like the macro control or night mode temporarily so to see if they are causing the issue. Another the big fix is to tap on the screen manually focus before taking a photo. You can also update the latest iOS version since the bugs can affect the camera performance. And also, you can go to the settings and general and go to the transfer or reset iPhone to reset or reset all settings. If none of this works, it might be a hardware issue that you may need to visit with an authorized service center. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.